At REI Funding Partners, we are private lenders who finance real estate projects for investors throughout the Southeast. And we're not your average lender. Let me explain. My wife and I started this business in 2011, and prior to that, we were hands-on investors. So we understand how real estate investors think and what you're trying to accomplish. From building a six-figure income business to creating passive income that leads to your financial freedom, we're there with you. And so where most lenders would just give you a loan, we go over and above. And so we like to say we are more than a lender. We've got a whole professional team that is there to help you find deals and get deals closed. So if you're looking to grow your real estate investing business, you're at the right place. REI Funding Partners is your one-stop shop. From finding deals to getting them funded to making sure that they're going to be profitable to getting them across the finish line on time. We're here to help. We're your funding partners.